My sister and I went to the floating market in Thailand. We decided to use a tour company, and the company picked us up at 7 o'clock. First, we went to the railway market. Let me know if you want to see that video. We were there for about an hour. Then we went to the floating market. While we were on the boat, we bought beer, we bought ice cream. How was it, Chair? How does it taste? We were on the boat for about 45 minutes and then we got off because we wanted to see the tigers.
We're going to the tigers! Ah!
And we got back on the boat and we were on the boat for about 45 minutes and then we got back off of the boat so I could play with some animals. So we were pretty much on the boat for about 2 hours, but I thought it was really cool. And then they dropped us off at our hotel at 2 p.m.